diamonds, shiny Pokemon, a really good comedy movie. These are all things that are very rare and hard to find. Just like the triggers in tonight's ASMR video, I have some pretty cool experimental triggers that will help you fall asleep. And I need you to leave a like and comment which one is your favorite, or if you think of any other ideas that I can do with some triggers. Let's jump right into the first one. I need you to count the particles, okay? How many particles are there? Okay, try that again. Maybe I jumped a little bit too quick into that. So I'm going to spray the water, and your job is to count how many particles you see. Ready? And count the particles. That's right. Count the particles. It's getting really wet. Let's try that again, okay? Count the particles in 3, 2, 1. Count the particles. Good job counting the particles. It's so wet now. Okay, let's just move on now. We'll be very quick. Since we have the water out, I'm going to spray this pumice stone. And you may be thinking, the pumice stone is not rare. You've seen other people do it. You've seen me do it a lot. But that's not the only thing I'm going to do. I have this stick. I'm gonna poke inside it. Maybe dig into the crevices and clean it up a little bit. Okay, get in here. Look at this big crevice. Do it right in your ear. Look at that big hole. You like it fast, huh? What do you think of that one? It's pretty mild and not super quick, but I feel like it's pretty relaxing. Now this next one is extremely difficult and only the best ASMRs can do it. That means I'm gonna fail, but I'm gonna put this ping pong ball on and roll it. So it might scrape a couple times, but my goal is to roll it like this. I'm probably gonna drop it, but I'm gonna focus. Oh, that was close. up and down the door hinge, or down with the mermaid brush, or I could do both and play the violin. That's so nice. That just tickles my brain so good. Ooh, I love that so much. Okay, let's see what else is there. Next up we have the coconut monkey. Coconut monkey. The coconut monkey. He's a dusty coconut monkey. Coconut monkey. Made from a real coconut. Not a lot of people have this coconut monkey with the witch mirrors, which makes it a rare trigger. He has a hole in his bottom. Coconut monkey. Now I'm gonna clean the coconut monkey. He is very dusty, so I thought I would make you guys watch me clean him. So I just take some of that off and just start wiping. The cloth is white, which is probably a mistake, but have you ever heard of a whispering monkey? Alright, I'll stop embarrassing myself now. Let's move on. And now I have a little plastic cell phone with a picture of little me. Ain't nobody else have this. Have this picture and this phone. An ultra rare ASMR trigger. I like the taps of it. I was curious if you got to choose your phone number. I My area code is 801. 801, so 801. After that, I don't know what I would choose. 8675309. Let's see. What number would I choose? I don't know. Good thing they just assign the numbers to you. Maybe I'd make it all one number, like 333. That would make it very easy. Or like 222. Or actually 000. 0000000 would be the coolest. That's probably what I would choose, just all zeros. But to make this extra rare, I'm going to add some tape to it and see how that sounds. What do you say? Let's roll it. All my fingerprints. Up. Okay, well this actually didn't go how I thought it would. It's so loud. Honestly, didn't think it'd be so loud. I'll try to be gentle. It's stuck on my fingers. I don't know if I'm pro enough for this maneuver. Okay, maybe there's potential there. I don't got the skills for that. But that was all the triggers I have for you. I'm so sorry it's a very short video. But I have been very busy and there is something amazing coming up. I'm going to have a lot of collaborations coming up here soon. Probably actually one of the next videos. As this posts, it will be day 1 of starting these collaborations. More to come in the next couple days. Make sure you are subscribed. Maybe even turn the notification bell on. That way you are